relaxations have happened, but now we are going with a very decentralized approach. So we have left a large number of the relaxations to the respective deputy commissioners. So deputy commissioners are doing it. I will not have the details with me of what, where, because every deputy commissioner is doing according to their condition and situation out there. But in most of the state and most of the districts, most of the districts, the relaxations are there, and only locality-wise, containment zone-wise, there is some restrictions. Of course, everything that will lead to crowding is being avoided. But with that principle and with the principle of going for maximum vaccination is being followed.
One for the road. So, what is the status of the solar